In today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze reply rates in Lemlist. So first log in to your account, then next in the left panel, head over to campaign dashboard. And this is where all your performance data lives. So first, click on the campaign you want to analyze to open it up. So here at the top, you'll see key metrics like open rate, click rate, and most importantly, the reply rate. Reply rate shows the percentage of people who responded to your emails, but don't stop at the number. Click on the replied tab to see actual responses, and here's where the real insight is. So look for patterns like are people interested, confused, or not replying at all? You can also filter replies here in the left panel. Using this tool, you can filter positive versus negative for you to be able to understand lead quality and not just the quantity. Now, if your reply rate is low, test new subject lines and improve your first line or tighten your targeting. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!